With a budget of $650,000, can we still live in downtown Markham, have access to all those shops and shopping malls and gourmet restaurants, and have our kids go to top-ranking school? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm introducing you one condo assignment at the town center of the city of Markham. Let's take a look at its location. This project is the famous Riverview condos. I'm sure if you pay attention to condo project, you've heard about this. It's at the Highway 7 and Warden, the town center of Markham. And if you want to go to downtown Toronto, all you have to do is you drive towards west 1.5 block, and then you go on 404 all the way down south. In about 35 minutes, you will arrive downtown Toronto. At the moment I'm doing this video, I'm sure this might be a accident or some traffic jam, so it shows 54 minutes. But my own experience, I live a little bit further northeast of this location. It only just takes me 35 minutes. So I'm sure normally from this location, it's going to be shorter than half an hour if there's no traffic. All right, let's take a look at the community itself. Okay, so now we're at Highway 7 at Warden. So this is Markham Town Center. As you can see here, this is downtown Markham. Next to this on Enterprise Boulevard, you have the big center with lots of restaurants and entertainment facilities. And also Cineplex is also there. So youngsters, they really like to gather here and have fun. And living is also very convenient if you're into Asian food. Here in just 1 block to the east, you have T&T Supermarket. Sheridan Nurseries, I always go there to buy flowers. And not too far from there, you also have the biggest Asian mall. It's called First Markham Place. I believe it's somewhere here. Okay, one thing highlight about this location, other than its convenient living and all those wonderful cuisine Asian food, is that you are only 2.3 kilo away from the top ranking high school, Unionville High School. So Unionville High School ranked many times in the top 10 high school among all the 700 high schools in Ontario. And it's a famous art program, attract lots of parents who pay attention to children education. All right, let's take a look at the property itself. So this is a 1+1. We are only calling for $660,000. I explained a couple times in my previous video, because for condo assignment, we cannot put on list on MLS. So with limited exposure, a lot of times the seller and their listing agent would just call a price very close to what they aim to sell. So with this price, you do not need to beat. You are going to have this property at very close to this price. Okay, so this is something very clear. All right, so this apartment is a condo apartment. Is actually quite spacious. Although it's just 1+1, it's got over 700 square feet. It's 714. All right, let's take a look at its floor plan. I quite like the floor plan because it's very functional, and you can see there's no any strange shape. It's just a rectangular. The bedroom is on the outside, so it has a big window, or maybe floor to ceiling window. It's going to have lots of sunlight. You also have a balcony, so when you sit in the living room, you also have sunlight. And you can see that the functional area is quite distinctive. This is the living area, and dining room, the formal dining room, is close to the kitchen, right? It's quite spacious, these two parts. Some of them, they combine together and you feel a little bit compact, and this is not the case here. Another thing I like about this unit is that you can take a look at its stand. It's almost like a square, 9x9. So you would have 80 square feet then. So a lot of times, if it's a downtown condo, you often see then it's only 40, 50 square feet. But even that, people put a bed there and turn it into a bedroom. In our case, with 80 square feet, for sure, if you wish to, you can easily use it as a second bedroom, although it doesn't have a window. Otherwise, it would be called a bedroom. But in terms of size, it's very spacious. Okay, so this is pretty much about this unit. If you are interested in it, I encourage you to talk to me as soon as possible, because I know Riverview is very, very popular. And if you have any recent purchase plan and this unit doesn't fit you, doesn't matter. I can cater the property search for you, so you will receive all the fit properties as soon as they come onto the market for the first day, including these very good value off market properties. Looking forward to connecting in next video.